Kamarkas, also known as gum or tragacanth gum, is a natural resin with various potential health benefits. It has been traditionally used in traditional medicine systems, like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. However, it's important to note that scientific research on Kamarkas is limited, and more studies are needed to confirm its health benefits. Here are some of the potential health benefits associated with Kamarkas. Kamarkas may help alleviate digestive issues such as constipation, diarrhea, and irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). It is believed to have mild, laxative properties that can promote regular bowel movements and relieve gastrointestinal discomfort. Some studies suggest that Kamarkas may have anti-inflammatory properties. It could potentially be used to reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease (IBD). It may help control appetite and reduce food cravings, making it easier for individuals to manage their weight. In traditional medicine, Kamarkas has been used to treat respiratory issues such as coughs and asthma. It is believed to have expectorant properties that can help loosen mucus and ease breathing. In some traditional practices, Kamarkas is used to manage menstrual disorders and alleviate menstrual pain. Kamarkas is sometimes considered an aphrodisiac and is used to enhance sexual performance in traditional medicine systems. If you are considering using Kamarkas for its potential health benefits, consume Kamarkas in safe and healthy way with dry fruit sugar-free bowls. Here is the perfect recipe of wholesome fruit balls. Ingredients: clarified butter 100g, deseeded dates 350g, fig 9 or 1075g, almond 1 cup 150g, cashew a half cup 75g, walnuts a half cup, pistachio a third cup 40g, melon seeds 3 tsp 25g, sunflower seeds a third cup 40g, pumpkin seeds a third cup 40g, flax seeds 3 tsp 30g, sesame seeds 3 tsp 20g, poppy seeds 2 tsp 20g. Fry dried fruit on light flame with a tablespoon of butter, then chop it. Make paste of dates and again mix all them in light flame. Using your hands, take small portions of the mixture and roll them into balls. You can make them as small or as large as you like. If you'd like, you can roll the fruit balls in desiccated coconut to add a coating. This is optional but adds a nice texture and flavor. Once they have set, transfer the fruit balls to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator or cool dry place. They can be enjoyed as a healthy snack or a sweet treat at any time. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding your favorite dried fruits, nuts, or flavorings, but don't forget to add perfect quantity of Kamarkas.